Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel. I hope you are well. Today I'm going to be unboxing and showing you our new blender and food processor. So let's get to it. We ordered it online and now it's here. It is a 750 watt food processor and blender. Let's open the box. At first we are going to take out all the little pieces that go with it. Here we have the food processor with the food mixers inside. This is the juicer / blender. This is the machine where you put the blender and food processor on top. If you don't have this or it's broken, then you can't make or do anything. This is how it's attached on top. This silver piece goes somewhere. There are a few little pieces with the food processor. And that's how the food processor goes on top. Our old blender had the capacity of 1 litre and this new one has 2 litres. You mostly use the blender for milkshakes and liquids and the food processor for foods that you want to break down smaller. This is where you pick the speed at which it blends. They made an opening here, so if you want to add food whilst it's blending. And this is where you can open the blender. to show you the stuff that I did not show you in detail before. This is the manual. All the details and informations are inside. This piece can come here and you can put the food processor on top. Like this. This one doesn't go on though. This is the final look of our new blender and food processor. We hope you enjoyed watching, and until next time, Allah Hafiz.